Hello, welcome to the iteration demo for the Whizzer, the Singing Disc Lean Agile Product Development demonstration. If you remember, we had gotten to a place where we had built a functional prototype. It satisfied all of the conditions for our MVP in that we were able to actually play a round of disc golf with it and win the round of disc golf. We were able to locate our disc blindfolded, and it wouldn't affect the flight characteristics enough to cause an impact. And so we did a field trial, and it actually landed in the top 3 out of 10 of the discs that we threw. So it really worked out, pretty well. But then we got worried about the form factor. It's just kind of big and ugly, and we were just kind of wondering, would anybody be interested in that at all? And so we've got this big hairy question in front of us, and the way that we want to deal with that is to run an experiment that is the cheapest, fastest thing that we can do to get the feedback. Would people be interested in this, even though the way it is kind of big and clunky, or would they like it actually? So what we're going to do is we're going to build a website and create a link, maybe theoriginalwhizzer.com, and just let it run for a little while, and maybe put a forum out there and get a list of folks that would be interested in buying it. Maybe say that we'll send them an email when it's available, kind of a thing, and just gauge an interest. Would people be interested in it generally? That would be the big hairy question we'd want to answer first off. And then the next thing is part of our set-based design is that we found even potentially a different solution that might be way better. And so we found this little breakout board, and if you look at the kind of the components there with the battery and the transducer, the form factor would be much smaller, like what is already a reasonably accepted form factor for those night lights that you see on the discs. So we got a couple of experiments running, and I think that's the right way forward, is to just keep trying some things, keep experimenting, keep learning, and we'll just see what happens. Thanks for tuning into this iteration demo of the Singing Disc Lean Agile Product Development demonstration video series. Have a great day, all. Bye bye.